Hello friends, I am Arpita. Welcome to my channel Jharna Art Gallery. Hope you are all well. Whenever you want to draw something, search Jharna Art Gallery in YouTube and get so many beautiful scenery and subject drawings with easy drawing steps. So without wasting your time, let's see what we draw today. Today I draw the village bird seller scenery. Let's start. At first, you will drag the margin on your page. The width of the margin should be 1.5 cm. Follow steps of the drawing carefully. Draw lightly so that if you do a mistake during drawing, you erase it easily. If you don't understand English language, please follow the steps of the drawing and draw it yourself easily. I have increased the speed of the video a little bit as the length of the video will get increased. You can slow down the playback speed of the video so that you can properly understand the drawing steps. If you have any queries about drawing, please comment me. I will clear your all doubt about drawing. You can draw it in your art competition. If you want to know how I color it, please watch my video till end. It will be helpful for you. Now I use black sketch pen for highlighting the drawing. So sketching is complete. Now it's time to color it. I use oil pastel colors to color it. Let's see. Use cerulean blue hue color. Use light blue color. Use deep green color. Use light green color. Use yellow ochre color. Use deep yellow color. Use light yellow color. Use brown color. Use fresh tint color. Use orange color. Use violet color. Use white color. Use gray color. Use pink color. Use primary red color. Use yellow ochre color. Now I use cotton earbuds for smoothing the color. Use black color. Use cerulean blue hue color. Use yellow ochre color. Use brown color. Use dark brown color. Use deep yellow color. Use light green color. Use primary red color. Use cerulean blue hue color. Use white color. Use brown color. Now my painting is complete. Thank you so much for watching till end. If the video was helpful for you, then please like the video and leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel for more drawing videos and press the bell icon for further notification. See you in another new video. Now you can follow me on social media. Links are in description below. Thank you. Take care.